What's up, guys? Back with another Infusionsoft tip du jour. So I think we've all probably experienced this one. You're cruising around building a campaign. You leave to go, set something else up, and then when you jump back into your campaign, you see this blank canvas, and you know that there's something in here because you were just working on it. But obviously, it's defaulted to be off the screen. Okay, so here's what I recommend doing. If that happens to you, go ahead and open the campaign so that you have your blank canvas, and then just drop any icon. I usually use a note widget in the top left corner, so just kind of as a benchmark for where things are. Then you can either zoom out using your browser controls or moving the map around with a 2-finger click or a shift click. But what you want to do is actually highlight. So drag a left click box around all of your icons and then move them down to be kind of in alignment with that icon you dropped as a placeholder. So once you've done that, you shouldn't need that placeholder anymore. If you leave the campaign and then you re-enter, it should start with the campaign in the default anchored area. So that's the quick workaround for getting your campaign back to the part of the canvas where it opens. So if that's bothered you in the past, as it has bothered me and many other Infusionsoft users, that's how you get around it. Take care.